Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our stovetop oven combination component. On this particular model we have a stovetop cover. Open up the cover. The cover is restricted from going all the way back against the interior wall of the trailer so that it won't scratch or damage the siding of the trailer. We have three stovetops here. We have an igniter switch and we have a light switch. The light switch is actually for the oven. The igniter switch is to ignite our burners up here on the stovetop. We push in on the knob for the stovetop burner. We rotate it to the flame position and we hit our spark switch. You'll see it'll start sparking and eventually we'll ignite the flame. We don't have our gas turned on now so that we're not igniting the flame, but we can do this with all three knobs. Push in, turn it to the flame position, hit the spark or igniter. We can see the spark and that'll ignite the flame for that particular burner. Each one, push in, turn to the flame, hit the igniter, and that'll ignite and start the flame. The oven also works the same way. We want to go ahead and open it up, push in the knob, rotate it to the light position, hit our spark or igniter. It'll ignite the flame down inside the oven, and then we can go ahead and turn the knob to our temperature setting for the oven and release. And then close our door. And then when we're done using our stovetop, the last thing we want to do is close the cover of the stovetop for our travel mode. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.